a silver kind and rose gold, because I had decided to get the rose gold kind, and I believe gold also, but the rose gold is really popular. Enough of this rambling, and we're just gonna get started. And as you can see, I have like a bare face. When it comes to the packaging, they look like this, and I'm just gonna take all these off because like there's no point of me keeping the plastic on. But one thing I can say is that on the back of this, it has like the usage tips and how to clean your makeup brushes and how to store your makeup brushes. And yeah, normalize maintenance brush gently on a clean piece of tissue to get rid of the residual makeup. Clean the brush once a week if regularly used. And like the quality of them is like really soft. I'm just gonna cut it off. Like, you get what you pay for, you know. It is $9, and I do really like, even though like they're synthetic, like it has like a real hair type of feel to it. But yeah, that's one thing that irritates me, like these. So there's this one right here, this one. Mainly these are for like eyeshadows. Oh yeah, this one's an eyeliner brush for sure. The Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation, and I am in the shade 228 Soft Tan. Let's see how this works. Ooh, hold up, wait a minute. As you can see, it's not leaving any streak marks, and that's one thing I cannot stand when it comes to brushes. But this is not. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I'm liking how this is blending. Because y'all know I always use a sponge. I don't really use brushes like that when it comes to blending out my foundation. Ooh, hold up. This might be a little steel. Oh my gosh. And I still got some foundation on the back of my hand. Need more coverage on this side. Y'all, it's blending it so well. Like, I'm very, very surprised. From this brush. This one's more of like a puppy look, and this one's more of an angled look. I just really wanted this one so I can get into the crevices of like my face and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with this and just blend out my contour. Actually, Then I'm gonna go in with this brush right here and just like add bronzer to my nose contour. Just to get some color, you know.